Okay, y'all, so I quickly typed in nutrition facts just to find a little something to insert in there. Just showing you that you can use actual nutrition facts from something. Let's find, let's take birthday off. Transparent. Hmm. I'm gonna go with this one. Yeah. Because typically, if you can already see the little dots, I mean, these little squares, it's not the right one. So with this closed, you can't. It's one of the ones, yeah, see, you're okay. So I'm gonna save is, so big Photoshop, file, place embedded is, so it's in here. So I can just put it in this little, fit it in this little space. You can grab one with the background. I just didn't want to in this moment. I didn't feel like cleaning anything up. So leaving it like that. I'm coming back here, going to my layers to get that, to get nutrition out of here. Okay, so that's that side. I'm gonna give you the measurements now by using a square, because I don't remember off the top of my head. So if you're just setting this up, your, and then to inches. So pretty much this area, uh-oh, come in here. Since I lost the dimensions, I'm going to find it. And if you're looking for the dimensions ever, free transform, change it to inches, change it to inches. So it's about, I would say go 5.5, about 8.5. That's your middle panel. Let's go here. So that's a little out of bounds, but really, and I'm not, because look, we're not going to do that. All you have to do is get this square and then place it in the middle of your screen, your canvas. The left side is the area that you have, and this is the right side. Um, but again, that was 5.5 is going to be the size of your middle panel. And from that, that's really all you need to know. And of course, your whole paper is 8.5 by 11. So to be more rugratish, I'm gonna change this to like black or change this. Let's see. Let's see what looks the best. I'm gonna go with this. Okay, now I'm gonna come in with some yellow. Change this to yellow. I get my paintbrush. I'm going to make it solid, not bring the size down. Okay, that's okay. Oops, hold on, y'all. Sometimes it takes a moment to get well, y'all know how it is. Sometimes drawing with the mouse is okay. So insert Rugratish scribble at the bottom. So that's going to be good enough for me. But this whole thing right here, I'm going to add a drop shadow just to kind of set it apart. And depending on how clean I got it, set that up a little bit. Oh, the distance, I never want the distance as like something like a undershadow. Just soften it up. So that's me. That's something that I would like. And I would do the same for the rectangle, the drop shadow, just to, kind of make it jump off the paper. Again, that's my aesthetic. That's what I do. I'm actually going to dip them down a little bit. You do want to account for um your edges. You don't want to come all the way down. That's why I'm leaving this here. And even when printing, it's still going to be a white space in this area. So just keep that in mind. And over here, I'm going to say a thank you for coming, or in a regular text, I'm not going to keep doing the Rugrat font. Okay, it says thank you for coming to my party. Something sweet like that. Something on theme. There's it's a little fun in that for me, coming up with what to say, just to kind of stand it. I'm gonna bring this back to auto. Yeah. So, um, I'm gonna put a number right here to fill this empty space. Typically, a child's number, whatever. Sometimes people like pictures of the children on the particular item, and you have to come up with that and discuss that with your client. Because obviously, but please don't go snatching pictures of people's kids, without permission, because everybody doesn't want that. And let that be something that they give you or ask you. Of course, you can offer it, but don't do that. So, just to do a little text work, I'm going to come here and add a stroke. Change my stroke color to like a, okay, because it's on the inside. So the color is okay with me. Right on the outside. And then I'm gonna come in with a drop shadow. I'm gonna change the color of this. Okay, closing this. Let's see the color of that. Oh no. Control A. Change the color over here. I'm gonna go with purple. Let's see. I'm not mad at that. Again, keep tweaking, keep tweaking. There's this. I mean, black. I'm on this. Let's see what black looks like. Maybe let's change our stroke color to looks like white. Let's see what it looks like in red. Okay, my party. I think that's cool enough. Let's get our number in here. Again, you can design is totally up to the creator. and what your mind comes up with. But I think as a base, you put your greeting here or your sentiment, whatever that may be for the occasion here. Your, you know, sometimes your title of your event, depending on if it's an adult event or if it's for, children, if it's marketing, business name. This is a good way, y'all, to even like a new age business card, honestly. You know, somebody's more likely to remember your business if you're handing them this unique bag of chips, or you know what I'm saying? Or just use it as advertisement, or you know what I'm like. And I just, this is fairly simple. And that's another thing. You have to know when is enough. But again, it depends on taste and level. There is nothing that anybody can present me with and I'm like, oh, that's horrible. You know what I'm saying? Because it's people's perspective. This is, you know what I'm saying, how people express themselves. So, if you like it and your client is fine with it, please run things by your client beforehand. That's really all that matters, truly. So, I mean, just continue to look at it and make sure you're doing your best. That's really all anybody could ask for. What I do, yeah, I'm gonna leave a number off. I would also, yeah, I'm gonna leave that, delete that. Yeah, I'm gonna just bring this whole situation down. Oh man, thought I drew those lines. I think this looks much better. You can even make the kids a little bigger. And typically I will put the age here. Or again, if it's a personal, picture or something, I will put it here as well. Like, of course, super tiny. I would make this smaller if I was doing that, but um, actually, you know what? No, 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 no. I would, yeah, yeah. I would leave it. Bring this down, make this more centered, because I don't want to overdo it. Let's see how white we look again. Just makes it kind of jump off. Yeah. Okay, so this is it. Thanks for watching, y'all. Photoshop Friday. Sorry it's so late. It's 10:17. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.